Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Some time ago, you activated your travel savings website. If you've used it already, fantastic. Congratulations. How much did you save? Tell me what you did. Did you go somewhere? I'd love to know. If you haven't used it yet, let me walk you through it. Now, you used an activation code to activate your site, but you no longer need that code to access your site. So let me do a screen share, and I'm going to show you how to access your site. What's going on here? And so what we're gonna do is we're going to do a incognito window, since if I try to log into my site, it already knows who I am. So we're going to use an incognito window for this today. Now, you don't have to do an incognito window. What you're going to do is go to bookings.igoforless.com. That's all. And bookingsigoforless.com. And there's the rest of this. It says membership login, but you don't need all that. So you're going to enter your email address that you used originally when you first activated your site and your password. And if you don't remember your password, you can use the forgot password and reset your password. So once you sign in, you will have access to all the features. The first thing that comes up is it tells you total member savings. Since we started running this site, this is how much money members have saved: $75,576,701. Wow, that's pretty significant. Now, what would you like to do? Here's some ideas and deals for top destinations: Las Vegas, Washington, Denver, New York, etc. But what is it that you'd like to do? Look, save up to 21% on the Nassau and the Bahamas, to Turks and Caicos. Wow, lots of interesting places. But what do you want to do? Do you want to book a hotel, a cruise, a car, a flight, a week, activities, lifestyle? Lifestyles includes restaurant savings. So for example, if I click on restaurant savings, it will ask me, do I want to save on restaurants? And of course, I'm going to go click here because that's what it tells me to do. And now we're going to tell it what city we're in. So for example, I'm in San Diego. Actually, I'm not in San Diego. As many of you know, I'm actually south of San Diego. I'm in Mexico, but hey, we're going to say San Diego. So we'll pretend like I'm going to San Diego today. And it's going to come up with a list of restaurants. See, there's 6 pages of 30 restaurants a page, 180 restaurants in the San Diego area within 15 miles of San Diego that have savings. So here's the Point Loma Cafe and Bayside Bar. I can get a $25 certificate for $10 or a $15 certificate for $6. That's pretty amazing. Here's the House of Blues Restaurant and Bar. Again, $60 certificate for $20. So I can find restaurants, lots of different restaurants. And if you know the name of the restaurant that you're interested in, this looks interesting. The CAVU, I don't know what that means, Brewery and Restaurant, American Bar, Gastro, Pub, Wine. It looks like cheeseburgers to me. Anyhow, $15 certificate for $6. So there are lots and lots of things you can do here. Now, what if you want to do something besides restaurant savings? Let me move this out of the way. I've got a menu in the way here. Let's just say you want to go find a hotel. So you're going to click on hotels. Now I have to go to Texas, next month, Houston. I have to go to Houston. So let's go type in Houston, Texas, click on it, give it the dates. Now the dates that I'm going to be interested in are going to be from the 21st to the 25th. So we'll go 21, January 21, or February 21 rather, to February 25th. Okay? And I'm going to be one room, one adults. There's only one of me, at least right now. So we'll go to -1. Doesn't seem to be wanting me to do that. All right, we'll leave it at 2 for now. Finding the best deals. Now, here's the deal. It's going to find a lot of hotels, lots and lots and lots of hotels. Now, if you have a specific hotel you want to stay in, you can type in the name and it'll find it for you. But here it's found, I don't know how many hotels it's found, 674 hotels found in Houston, Texas. Here's an average savings, average per night of $126, saving $149. And you can go on and on and on. The Hotel Inn at Houston Intercontinental, $502, savings $84. So you can go on and on, find the hotel you want to stay in, or you can do biggest percent savings, biggest dollar savings, price low to high, high to low, ratings, etc., or a hotel name. Now, if I do price low to high, I'm going to show you something interesting here. If I do price low to high, it's going to find things like, what are they called? Where you share rooms, that sort of thing. So here's $37 a night. Now, we're not sharing a room there, but that's an Econo Lodge. There's $36 a night, etc. So you can find the lower price hotels, or we can go and we can find the high to low prices. We can start with high prices and look at those. So here's the Post Oak Hotel at Uptown Houston. That looks pretty expensive, $672 a night. At Papa Bear's River Cabin, Papa Bear's River Cabin. That's interesting. The Woodlands Resort. So you can see I have a lot of options here, and I have a lot of ways that I can search for what I'm doing. Similarly, cruises. If you want to go on a cruise, where would you like to go? And I'm not going to go through the cruises now, but you can do that yourself. Flights, what's a week? Many hotels and resorts, if you stay for a week, you get a much better deal. So here's weeks. And let's say I want to go to Cabo San Lucas. And I want to stay for a week. No. How to get Western Australia? I was typing in, I thought I could just type in Cabo San Lucas. Cabo. I guess it doesn't like Cabo. How about Baja Peninsula? Okay, Los Cabos, there we go. That's what it is. It comes up as Baja Peninsula, Los Cabos. So I'll just give it a date. Let's say, let's give it, we're going to do weeks here. So let's give it we'll start, say, January 26th, and we'll search. Now we're doing weeks. A lot of times, if you stay for a week, you can get a better price than if you stay. Look at this, $31 a night average, $43 a night average. The Mayan Palace, Puerto Penasco, $43 a night. Looks pretty interesting. So you can get discounts for staying for weeks. There's also activities. So again, I'm in San Diego. So let's try San Diego. Type in San Diego and tell it, give it a start date. Let's just try this weekend coming up. Today, let's see, what day is today? Today's the 10th. Let's try next weekend from Saturday, the 18th to an end date of, we'll try the weekend, the 19th, say, and see what kind of deals we can get in San Diego next weekend. So you can see there's a lot of options in this site. So here's San Diego Harbor Cruise with live guided commentary, $25. San Diego Whale Watching Cruise, $86. Skip the Line, USS Midway, $20. San Diego Whale Watching, on and on and on. So you can find things to do. I don't know how many activities it came up with, probably 237 activities found. And you can, again, do price low to high, high to low, ratings, etc. Or you can select categories, tours and sightseeing, luxury and special occasions, outdoor activities. Let's do outdoor activities. Let's just click outdoor activities because I'm an outdoors person. I like outdoor activities. So there's whale watching, speedboats, safari park, lobster diving. Lobster diving, that's interesting. Go-kart, Seal Stars and Stripes America, hiking and yoga on Iron Mountain. Okay, on and on and on. But you get the idea. You get the idea. So go explore your site. Let me stop the share. Let me come back. Go explore your site. There's a lot of options there, and there's a lot of good deals. You can go out to dinner tonight, wherever you live, especially if it's the United States. You can go out to dinner tonight, nearby where you live, and save money using your website. So go check it out. You'll be glad you did. If you have any questions, give me a shot. I'm here to help you. This is Len Mooney. We'll talk again real soon. You have a wonderful day and be compassionate. Bye for now.